Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to basically convert your HTML files with CSS into PDF inside Python using this package, which is PDFKit. It's a very popular package for converting your HTML files into PDF using wkhtml to PDF binary executable. So you simply install this module by executing this command pip install PDFKit. I have already installed this module. Apart from that, you will also need to install wkhtml2 PDF. It's a binary here which you do need to install. It's open source. Simply go to the website and download this pre-compiled binary. After you download this, so basically it stores inside your C drive. So inside your program files, it basically stores with this name wkhtml to PDF. So once you install this, go to the bin folder, copy this path and just add this into the environment variable. So once you add this, go to the system path. I've already added this, you can see that. Click new and add this path. I've already added this path. So once you add the path, you can directly use this PDFKit library now. Just create a simple app.py file and then we simply import this PDFKit library, and after that there is a single line here which contains this from file function, from underscore file, and here we simply provide the input HTML file that we need to convert to PDF. So then the output file name, let's suppose I say result.pdf. So simply two lines of code. We import the module and then it contains this function. Here we provide the input HTML file. This is your output PDF file. So now once I run this script here, you will see result.pdf will be created, and this is your HTML right here. This file, it contains a series of headings, a table as well. So this is your HTML file and this is your PDF file. So it successfully converted everything, and the nice thing is that you can even import CSS as well. So custom CSS you can apply here. H1, let's suppose I say color should be red, and for the paragraph I say the color should be green. So we are applying some custom CSS, and once again if you do this, you will see it will apply that custom CSS. You can see that. So it's a very good library guys, PDFKit wkhtml to PDF in Python for converting your HTML and CSS into PDF. So definitely use it, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.